And now whatever medication I am giving you, these are not expensive medication, which is very, very economic medication, right? But very helpful medication, very helpful, right? So beech, crabapple, impatient and holy. It's a good combination. And skin itch is another medication, skin itch. No, skin itch separate and this flower ka combination separate. So there are in all two medicines. One is flower combination, one is homeopathic. These are wonder. Most of the skin itch anywhere in the body taken care. Crabapple, impatient, holy. Crabapple, holy. H-O-L-L-Y, holy. Impatient, crabapple. My friends, let me tell you, crabapple is a very good medication for cleansing. Now, okay, if you are getting a lot of negative thought, and that also disturbs you, then if you take crabapple, your mind will start cleansing, and then you have better other symptoms where you can think about yourself. So, crabapple is a very good medicine for cleansing. Now, many people, they are not comfortable. If you go out and a little bit dot on your shirt, you become very much nervous. Your mood gets off. So, if you take crabapple, you can very well settle. So, crabapple is a wonderful remedy for cleansing. Now, if you feel, I'm coming one. If you feel that you are having lot of anger, and that anger disturbs your sleep, then you can take crabapple with holy. Crabapple, not grape. C-R-A-B, crabapple. Crabapple with holy will a wonderful remedy to control your anger. And when the anger is controlled, then also you can have a better sleep. And please, my friends, now before going to bed, don't involve yourself in any hot discussion or any argument, because then your mind will think about that, and that will also disturb your sleep. So why I told you to write down that diary will be able to help you out the root cause of your disturbed sleep. Now, say for example, today you have seen some horror serial. Don't go to bed immediately. Read something. Otherwise, your sleep will disturb you, and you will get those dreams. And because of those beautiful dreams, next day when you get up in the morning, you are very much fatigued. You are not fresh. Okay. Now about your curtain in the bedroom. See that curtain also with light color. Last week, I went to one of the relatives' house, and I saw the bedroom. I was shocked. Many live wire was passing nearby the bed. And now they complain that there are a lot of problems like acidity, gas and flutulency and whatnot. So live wire is another dangerous thing. So all these things should not be in your bedroom. Right. And please be careful that in your bedroom when you go bed, and if you feel that you are developing some backache, continuous backache, and no medication is helping you, then please check up whether any water is passing near your bedroom, below your bed. If it is so, then also you have to be careful. And please, don't store anything below your bed. One of my another friends, my patient, there was an oil mill in Mumbai. When we went to their house, I was shocked to see that in a store below the bed, they store chappals, 40 pairs of chappal. Abhi kahan se neend aayegi? And the same person is having a projector above the bed and the screen in the front. And now don't expect that in this circumstance you can have a better sleep. If it is so, then please avoid. No, sir. And if you keep a television, then before you go to bed, cover it and remove all the plug. If you remove all the plug, you will have at least 10% of your electric bill. And those remaining 10% you can give it to me. Chale aage? Right? So quality of sleep also depends on location and position of your bed. Now here, if possible, then every 2 years you change the position of your bed. Every 2 years. To break the chain. It is not difficult, you can change. Because then geological aspect is also applied in this. If there is any electrical magnetic line passing that, then you have to be careful. It's not trouble. They get electronic waves. Do you follow waves? And our body is also having the same electrical current passing in our body. Now see, if you get hurt here, it's like electrical current. Now these two currents, when they come together, then your body become like very much this thing powerful, and that also disturb your sleep. You will not prefer to go to bed. No, not at all. Please, no. No, my dear sir, no. Nothing at the cost of your sleep. Or you switch up and cover it. Cover it better, but if you don't keep it, it's more better. Because see, everything vibrates. Whether it is live or not live, everything vibrates. Okay, now when you do like this, it means you don't come vibration. They go to the air and all the waves come like this and that disturb it. So please be careful about all these issues. Okay? And don't sleep in north direction. If your bed is head in north, that is not good thing, because then your brain cells will get affected very much. So in our tradition, our custom, when the person dies, then only we keep his head on the north. Till that, no sleeping in the north side, keeping north. South is okay, all other three directions okay except north. Okay, so avoid north. Now my friends, after my 25 medical experience, when we see a patient day in day, right, and we know that the diagnosis is right, the treatment is right, but why the results are different? Why the one patient is improving, one is not improving? Then we think about all the analysis and then we come to a conclusion. So what I am giving you, this is my 25 years medical analysis, research and study, right? And Ombai and Mr. Dalal, they have witnessed how we practice in our clinic. So after the session, if you have any query, you can ask any of them. Now if you have a false ceiling, then be careful that in false ceiling also you are not storing anything. Sometimes people they store something there also. Wire आ गया ना? हाँ, wire आया लेकिन see that it not pass through your bed. आपका bed up आ गया लेकिन it is covered by false ceiling, this is okay, but even though it is better you avoid. And if your bed is below the beam, then also don't sleep, because beam will give you more tracks. See, what do you mean of beam? Support. इसको सपोर्ट करते हैं, ट्रेस करते हैं, राइट? हाँ, तो ये बीम के नीचे सोना भी नहीं, बैठना भी नहीं. इफ योर चेयर इज बिलो द बीम, प्लीज चेंज योर सिटिंग पोजिशन. थोड़ा आगे जाओ, थोड़ा पीछे जाओ, राइट? वी हैव चेंज अवर पोजिशन हियर. ओके. नाउ योर वेंटिलेशन शुड बी प्रॉपर. In your bedroom, the ventilation will be proper, and as far as possible, if you want a light, then keep a very dim light, and see that your room temperature should be very much normal, which is agreeable to your body, agreeable to your sleep, agreeable to your mood. Now, too warm room and too cold room is also not good. It should match with the body temperature. A too cold room will disturb your rapid eye movements. Ideal temperature, what is body temperature? Right? Around 17 to 80 degrees is ideal temperature. 18 degrees, 18, 1 8. That is ideal temperature. That is okay, but not behind that. That is okay, that is up to that level is agreeable, but not below that. Okay. Disturb you, definitely, because subconscious mind also get disturbed with the noise of AC. That's why better your room should be airy with windows, proper windows and ventilation rather than the AC. So ventilation of your room is very important. No, sir. No comment. No remedy. Then you have to consult some expert like Feng Shui or Vastu consult. That is not my subject. I am sorry, my dear. But it is not good. That way I can tell you. Now you should have a proper intake of oxygen. So before going to bed, I'll teach you a simple exercise which will improve your oxygen level, right? Now sit straight, keep your hand like this. How many of you can sit Indian style, palati laga ke? If you sit like that is okay. If you cannot sit the way you feel comfortable. Okay? No hard and fast rule. Sit like this. straight. Your hand should be below your umbilicus and above your genital organ. Like this. All finger closed. Look straight. No, you could not get stretch in this region. यहाँ पे pain नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, now inhale.